I I started to build my own strategies
Mm-hmm.
and plans how the best way to do actually manage my daily life, get away from my procrastination that I was doing and my distractions that I had on a daily basis. And then eventually I met so many when you are working for big corporations, even in the C suites. I met
Mm-hmm.
so many executives that I just saw they all had the same problems. And you were surprised how many ADHD people are actually adults sitting in the C suites.
Yes.
Funny, they're very successful on certain points, but then
Brilliant. Many of them are just brilliant geniuses.
and you know
Yeah.
that because you're coaching, they're brilliant, but
Yeah.
they have all this, I said, disorganized mess around them all
Yes.
the
That's a
time.
good way to put it. That's why they hire all these great people to help them.
Exactly. So I said, hey, why not starting becoming a coach? And I actually helped a lot of them. And that's how it all developed. Actually, the last 5 years where I really focused on doing it full time now, the
Mm-hmm.
last 3 years, did a lot of motivational speaking. Did actually all the Tony Robbins masteries.
Mm-hmm.
So I actually, that's how I got really deep into it. And then obviously, I do a lot of self development. And for me,
Yes.
that was one of the core things happened in 89. I think I went to the first Tony Robbins event. It was
Mm-hmm.
Unleash Your Power.
Mm-hmm.
And that was just mind blowing because I saw how he actually got through to you and how with simple changes initially with NLP, how you get involved to it.